So a game which all of us grew up playing. So simple to draw that whether you are in a car journey, sitting at home, in school, in your classroom, with your grandparents, the siblings, right there, you just play it. It is simplistic. It just uses X and zeros. So hey, let's just hop over to the Scratch platform and get started with making the board. The first choice and option that we have is whether to make it into a backdrop or into a sprite. It can be pretty much be either. It can be a backdrop because it doesn't really have to do any motion, do any movement. But for now, I'm choosing it to be a sprite. Primarily the reason is, what do I want to add some fun animation to it later. So let's go with that. Now I'm going to use line to just draw it, right? It's fairly straight and simple. So I can just copy, paste it, probably too wide, and then copy paste it again, and there we go, slightly extended. Oops. So this is when you hold the shift so that you can slightly extend it. And there is a board, just calling it Tic-Tac-Toe board. What else do we need? The markers, the X and the zeros. So we're going to create a new sprite. Just call it TTT markers. And I can just create the X and take another costume and just create. Yep. That's all we need. Let me just group it. Yeah, so that it moves as one object. We can resize it using code or initial setting, depending upon how we want it to fit on the board. So there you go. One thing I realize is that right, so for instance, when I click on it, say, just I want to switch the costume. What do I call them? Let's call it X. I click on this. Now the trouble is when I'm clicking on it, it's not really responding because it's so much empty space. To solve this problem, one of the common things which is used is by creating an empty placeholder. So what you can do, you can just kind of create like a rectangle and give it some kind of very light color, white, and it should fit right there. Yeah, so now the moment I click on it, changes to the next costume. And the good thing is in the game, we are going to only have to click on the empty space. And you want to look neater. So what would you do? You don't want this outline, right? So now, there you go. Okay, so we have our board and our markers. And we have also checked that we can click on the empty box to fill a marker.